Alright guys, so today I'm doing a review of the So Delicious Dairy-Free Oat. Now this is an oat ice cream, not a coconut cream, so this is actually kind of cool. And I picked this up, it was on sale. It's peanut butter and raspberry. There's only a couple of these left, so I wanted to try them out. So as you can see, it's gluten-free oat base, sugars, of course you wouldn't be aware of that. Organic coconut oil, peanuts, guar gum. So it does have peanuts in this one, but it does have quite a bit of sugar. If you look there, 23 grams. But we're going to do a quick taste test. It is a dairy-free, so, and if you look here, it is vegan, gluten-free, all that stuff. So let's open this up. I'm kind of curious because I've never tried an oat-based one, so there we go. That's what it looks like. There we go. Wow, the peanut butter is very prominent. Let's try the vanilla part here. The raspberry, there's a hint of raspberry in there. But the peanut butter is very strong. I don't taste any of the oat milk at all, so don't expect a lot of like oat flavor or anything. I don't taste any of that at all. It is sweet. And a hint of raspberry. That's pretty much it. The peanut butter is very aromatic. So if you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.